I'm an English addict. Are you? Here are two words that serve as opposites to each other and are often referred to when discussing the things we have to face in our day-to-day lives. The simple things and the complex things. The things that seem to come without any effort and the things that seem almost impossible to achieve. Today we will look at the words easy and hard. First of all, the word easy names the state of calmness and simplicity. An easy thing requires very little effort. It can express the feelings of calmness and relaxation. An easy morning, an easy journey, a relaxing moment of time can also be described as easy. A simple task that requires very little effort can be described as easy. The task you are doing is easy to do. A person can be described as easygoing. That particular person has a calm, easy manner and is good to get along with. They have a pleasant character. They are easygoing. As a phrase, you might go easy on someone, which means not to be harsh or aggressive when giving out punishment. As this is your first offence, I will go easy on you this time. You might give someone an easy ride if you are treating them in a more kindly way than you normally would. The teacher gave you an easy ride because you are his favourite student. A test or exam might be described as being easy. The questions were not difficult. In fact, they were very easy. A job which requires very little skill or ability might be described as easy. This job is so easy. I could do it with my eyes closed. A pleasant sound might be described as being easy on the ear. For example, a nice gentle song or a soothing melody can be described as being easy on the ear. Synonyms of easy include basic, calm, serene, simple, straightforward, rudimentary, trouble-free, uncomplicated, undemanding. It is a breeze. It's a cinch. It's no effort. No effort is needed. It's as easy as pie. Now we come to the opposite word of easy. This word can be used in more than one way and can mean many different things. The word is hard. First of all, the word hard can be used to describe the texture or the feeling of a certain type of material. As an adjective, the word hard relates to how solid something feels to the touch. For example, you might have a hard surface, such as a wooden floor. A difficult period of time can also be described as hard. Also, as an adjective, we can use the word hard as a direct opposite to easy. Something is easy to do. Something is hard to do. A difficult task or something that is beyond your capability can be described as being hard. A certain type of test or exam that is not easy to complete can be described as hard. That English test was so hard, I think I must have failed it. Something that is not easy to achieve can be described as being hard or hard to get. You might have a hard time getting something. This means it is necessary for you to work hard or simply be patient before something can be achieved or received. It is hard waiting for the reply to my job application. A difficult period of time can be described as hard. You might have a hard day at work. Your boss might give you a hard time because you were late for work again. If someone gives you a hard time, it means they are treating you harshly in a mean and cruel way. My boss gave me a hard time at work today for being late again. A person who appears tough and strong-willed might be described as being hard. I wouldn't pick a fight with him. He's the local hard man. The force used to push or hit something can be described as hard. To start the car, you have to give it a hard push. The horse gave me a hard kick. An unemotional person might also be described as hard, especially if they never show any caring emotions or consideration for others. She didn't cry at the funeral. I never knew she was so hard. To have an unkind or harsh character might lead someone to being described as hard-headed or hard-nosed. When we are talking about how difficult something is, the opposite of hard is easy. A hard exam. An easy test. When we are talking about the texture or the feeling of the surface of something, then the opposite is soft. A hard floor. A soft carpet. Synonyms of hard include complicated, challenging, difficult, firm, powerful, solid, stiff, strong, tough. So, to summarize, easy is pleasant, relaxed, simple, straightforward, not difficult. A piece of cake. Hard is confusing, difficult, firm, taxing, tough, solid, strenuous, unanswerable, not easy. I'm an English addict. Are you?